Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2019 to 2025 Subaru Forester. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box and then release the glove box damper by pulling it off like this. Lower the glove box by squeezing in on the sides and then remove the entire thing from the hinges. It just pops right off. Remove the cabin air filter by pulling out and slightly down to release it and pull it straight out. To install the new filter, stick it straight in and then push up to lock it in. And to reinstall the glove box, just slip the hinges back on and push it up and it pops into place. And don't forget to reconnect the damper. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.